Alright, so what we're going to cover today is how I'm currently doing my PC board assembly for SMD stuff. So I've got a jig here, so I clip in my board like that. Next up, we're going to flux up the pads like so. Because flux is your friend when you're doing SMD soldering. It's going to help to hold down the components when I drop them onto some tweezers, and it is going to help the solder flow once we flow this with a soldering iron. Alright, let's do these resistors. Do some more for the op amps. So those over there. Right. Now I keep my resistors in little dishes like this. So there's going to be 2K. Set it down like that. And then we've got some 10Ks, 6 of them. Let's see. So what I'm going to do, set that down. I just pick them up one by one out of the dish. And set them down. Now given the low component count, drop that one. That's okay, we can turn it around. Now this board and the low volumes that I make, it's not worth having a stencil and doing the whole reflow thing. These components are fairly big as well, so I'm working through a magnifying glass, as you can see, because I know there's some irritating reflections of the lens through which you guys are watching this, and I'm working, but that's okay. You can see what we're doing here. Right, next is the op amps. So let's get them orientated correctly, and then we can stick them down, and I can show you how we solder them. Right. Right, the pins are aligned. Do another one. Pins are aligned. Yep. Looks alright. Alright, time to solder. Got the soldering iron set to 400 degrees C. So what I do is I start off with the op amps, and contact down pin 8, and if need be I can move it around a bit. Let's see if I can move you guys across a little bit, that I can have both eyes through the lens. See what we're doing here. Let's see. Need to put a little bit more solder on. Yeah, they're a little offset, but they're connected. Now the flux, of course, is holding the rest of the stuff down while we're doing this, which helps. There's the next op amp. Right. 2.5. Move it around. All right. Oops. Got a solder bridge. Got one left. Let's see. I'll get back to that. Do those pins. And those pins. So keep the soldering iron tip on the board. And then allow the solder to flow upwards. Like that. Let's do the resistors. Now make sure that the solder flows underneath the resistor pad and onto the PC board pad as well. Now we do these. Put that one over. And that one over like that. Just do this guy over here. do, need both sides like that. That straightens it out. Side as well. Get them soldered. Get some solder onto these resistors. Some onto these. I sort of watch the pad underneath and look for it going shiny, then I know it's hot and it's been wetted. Now we've got that solder bridge left to take care of. So let's do that. And let's get a bit of flux on that. That might solve the problem. Clean my tip. Takes us over there. Looks alright. Got 2 more pins to do on this middle op amp. Like that. I think we're done. That first one I could do a little bit of tidying up. So let's apply a little bit of flux. Yeah, that's nicely soldered. Looks alright. The reason I'm fumbling is because I can only see through the lens with one eye because of the camera over the lens for you guys, and because I'm losing the benefit of stereo vision and my depth perception. And normally this goes easily, but when you're doing it like this, making a video of it, it becomes hard because you don't have depth perception. So I think that's turned out alright. So that's how I'm soldering these little boards, and as long as one remembers to solder all the pins and pays attention to the solder joints, and of course puts the components in the right place, the right values, the right orientation, these things all test 100%, there's no scrap. So that's it. That's how I solder my SMD stuff. You got to see how I do it. Maybe you learned something from it. Maybe it was useful. Maybe you just enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching it and being here and watching me faff around with soldering iron and some components. That's what I do in my spare time. Thanks, take care ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you next time for more stuff. Take care. Cheers.